What's the deal, y'all? I'm back with another video. I just want to show y'all a little quick tutorial on how to pass your funded accounts and your evals the fastest way that you can with a news release tomorrow. Core CPI, I'll pop it up on the screen. I don't want to take y'all time too much, but I'm gonna go ahead and jump on the charts and give y'all this review so I can make this fast. I'm gonna back test the last 2 months. I'm gonna show y'all what I do and the way that you actually supposed to do CPI. But yeah, it's quick, it's easy, most effective way to go ahead and pass your accounts in an instant. It's not recommended if like it's your only account. If you got an account that you can go ahead and full port or whatnot, then I recommend it. But if you do not have the means, if you don't have the account and it's like your last account or you on your, I know how it is. Do not do CPI. It's not financial advice. It's not the way to pass your accounts every time. You should be able to have your own edge and your own trading skill too. But this is just a quick, easy way. Let me jump on the charts, give y'all a tutorial. Okay, so first off, starting, what is Core CPI? Core CPI is just a news release folder. Like I said, it's a lot of volatility within the markets when we have an economic folder. This is the biggest economic folder that we have. We pretty much have it every month or every other month. I'm pretty sure. I think it only skips a couple months throughout the year, but Core CPI is pretty much just a news release of all the inflation, where inflation is going to be, for the rest of the year, what's going on within the market, and the market does react to it instantly. So, how to do Core CPI? Core CPI is pretty much just a big candles, huge volume, and shoots up immediately, probably like 100 points, sometimes even more. Could be even more than that. I might be tripping. I think it might be a little bit more than that. But Core CPI, as soon as it releases, the market will literally just skyrocket up or skyrocket down. People use it to full port their accounts, like if they don't have an account pass. It is an easy way to pass your accounts, but like I said, if you do not have any means or do not have another account, I would not suggest this at all. But I'm gonna go ahead and get into the tutorial and show you guys how to do CPI real quick. So with Core CPI, what you want to do is be waiting until 7:30, which will be 6:30 Chicago time where I'm at Central. But soon as 7:29 hit or 6:29, wherever you at, the news release is literally at 7:30. Soon as CPI releases at 7:29, you want to go ahead and get everything ready. Okay, so you want to put a buy limit 30 points above wherever current price is, and then you want to put a sell limit below where current price is. So which either way it goes, you're in favor and you're pretty much guaranteed to hit this trade unless CPI gets like leaked early and the market just acts weird to it and it doesn't work. Some months is like that. Can't win them all, but you want to go ahead and pretty much do max sizing on this so you can get the easiest pass. I usually only come 34 micros, and then whatever your TP is, I'm pretty sure if you're getting a 50K account, it's 3K. So you only want to take 3K. But what they say is put a buy stop and a sell stop 30 points above and below current price, and then 50 points below that you want to go ahead and put your sell stop. Put your limit orders. So this is about where it's at. So you want to put 50 points past wherever you got your stops at, a limit order. So let me show you what that looks like, since this is paper trade. Let me show you what that would look like. So a buy limit on a sell is what you want to put below 50 points below current price. And then same as your buys, you just want to go 30 points above buy limit. And then 50 points above that, you want to put your sell limits right here. And then as soon as CPI releases that next minute, you got to do it pretty fast. So if you got to get ready at 7:28, get your boxes ready, do whatever you need to do, but you got to do this pretty quick. It happens real fast. Like soon as 7:30 hits or 6:30 Central Time, news releases and it'll instantly shoot up. So let me go ahead and show y'all CPI, how it works, why people do it. Boom, instantly we get everything that we need. Like y'all see, the trade is right here, $3,400. CPI usually works every month, literally the same exact way. just so y'all know, it usually does just shoot up. It shoots straight up. But do this at your own risk. Like I said, if you do not have the account, do not do it. If you don't have the means, if this is your only account, do not fool Core CPI. I'm telling you, you're gonna be mad after, because it does not have to work. It doesn't always work. But most months it works. It's only been like one time that it has not worked for me. I usually use it every month. But yeah, that's how you do it. I will pop up some platforms that y'all can grab for cheap. Make sure the account that you grab does not have a consistency rule, because you'll be passing this account in one single trade. So, yep, that's it. That's all I got for y'all. See y'all in the next video. I know this video was quick, but I will be posting trade reviews tomorrow. I appreciate it.